Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. Today is day number 6 of In Christ Alone. So today we aren't learning anything new, but we are going to take everything we've learned over the past 5 days and walk through the whole thing of In Christ Alone. So I know we are learning 2 different versions. We are doing the original version with verse 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then the Christian Stanfill or Passion version that uses verse 1, verse 3, and verse 4, but adds a bridge. So what we're doing for this video is I am going to sign verse 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then add the bridge, okay? This is tough, okay? This is the hardest song that we have done so far on the channel, so don't feel bad if you mess up. I'm actually a little nervous before starting this walkthrough because I anticipate I'm gonna make some mistakes too, okay? Remember, God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands, okay? So before we get started, remember, I'm left-handed. That means if you're right-handed, you're gonna mirror my sign. If you still haven't printed off the lyrics, you can look in the description and there is a link to print off the lyrics to whichever song you are learning. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take a little drink before we go. Okay. In Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my light, my strength, and my song. This cornerstone, this solid ground, firm through the fiercest drought and storm. What heights of love and what depths of peace when fears are stilled and when strivings cease. My comforter, my all in all, here in the love of Christ, I stand. Okay, so now moving on to verse 2. You only need it if you're signing the original version, okay? In Christ alone, who took on flesh, fullness of God in helpless babe. This gift of love and righteousness, scorned by the ones he came to save, till on that cross, as Jesus died, the wrath of God was satisfied. For every sin on him was laid. We're doing put, okay? We're putting it there. Here in the death of Christ, I live. Verse 3, we're doing pretty good. Okay. There in the ground, his body lay, light of the world by darkness slain. Okay, that's a sign for killed, slain. Then bursting forth in glorious day, up from the grave he rose again. And as he stands in victory, sin's curse has lost its grip on me, for I am his and he is mine, bought with the precious blood of Christ. Okay, moving on to verse 4. We're doing good, we're getting there. Okay, no guilt in life, no fear in death. This is the power of Christ in me. From life's first cry to final breath, Jesus commands my destiny. Okay? No power of hell, no scheme of man can ever pluck me from his hand till he returns or calls me home. Here in the power of Christ, I stand. Okay, so if you're doing the original version, you're done now. But if you're doing the Passion version, stick with me because here we go into the bridge. Okay, I find my strength. I find my hope. I find my help in Christ alone. When fear assails and when darkness falls, I find my peace in Christ alone. I give my life, I give my all, I sing my song to Christ alone, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords. All heaven sings to Christ alone. Okay? It's great. And then if you happen to be signing that version, it goes a little more to Christ alone, till he returns or calls me home. Here in the power of Christ, I'll stand. Here in the power of Christ, I'll stand. Okay? So that means tomorrow we are going to be signing with the music. I actually only own the copy of Passion and Christian Stanfield version, so that's the one I'm going to sign. But the other version is sung very similarly, same cadence, so you'll be able to get the rhythm down easy enough with that one. Okay, I hope wherever you are healthy and well, and I will see you in the next video when we sign with the music. Bye. I am so blessed and encouraged to hear over and over again how God is using this channel in order to accomplish his mission here on earth. If you have a story, please leave it in the comments or send me an email. It's so encouraging to me when I hear what sign language worship means to you.